10 shot on target, 1 goal. Yabo. And ukungena ke ko Apolis. Hayi ngizohlezi ngisho. General loyana. General. Umnikile umfuke ngamabhola awu3. Kulawo u3 umfuke ngukore awu2. Of which beyingeke ibe khona le hat-trick ngaphandle kwa Opolis.
Ayinkomalanga le.
Yabo. Upapa waperforma kahle ke manje ke ngale ndlela performa ngayo sekungena uMata wakhe lapha ya. uMata umakiwa kamakiwe uzothena nebhola alithi akhiphe ipass athene nebhola arun akhiphe ipass yabo washaya amagoli bemnandi ukhipha bese demotivated ukhipha bese ngekho emidlalweni walibamba laphunyuka ibhola labhala nethini
indawo coach engamkhiphanga ukhipha because how can you allow iplayer yakho to consider ama goals angaka because that's why bekuyimvula phela la ama attack wave after wave attack and nayo busuyibona ithi isigala sikuthi ngoSamcity idekile ayisazi manje uthi yenze njani
hayi kona beyingasesekho iyenzi
so this match nje Orlando Pirates ibikhipha istatement ukuthi hayi we won the league they say we won the league
izeke besiguli opponent besigula phela iopponent isishoda yabo isixhamazela senza